Hey guys, I am at my friend Clint's house and he brought home some liquid nitrogen from work and we're gonna go ahead and freeze some stuff. So enjoy the video.
I'm fine. As long as I don't touch it. See, it just rolls off like balls.
Well, it's returning to its normal state
Air.
as a gas. This in liquid form is this size. In gas form, it's 700 times this size. Oh, flowers?
No! Can I at least keep one? Yeah, once you freeze it, it's gonna stay like that forever.
It'll melt.
I'm fine. You can crush it.
Is it cold? No!
There you go.
Me?
Yeah, you can have that.
No!
It won't explode. We're going to use it as a propellant. It's a very safe propellant. It won't explode. It actually puts out fires very well because of the lack of oxygen.
Alright guys, in this next shot we're gonna go ahead and put some water in a bottle and then put liquid nitrogen over it. When we flip the bottle over, what's gonna happen is it's gonna basically create an accelerant out of the water and cause it to explode out of the bottom of the bottle. It's gonna be a few shots of that, so enjoy. Holy moly.
Ready?
Yep.
Woo! Ready?
Yep.
It won't explode. We're going to use it as a propellant. It's a very safe propellant. It won't explode.
Yep. Whoa. Whoa. Right in between you guys. Ready?
What are you gonna do with it?
I'm going to throw it on the ground.
I never saw.
Oh, there we go. There we got full condensed right there. So we condensed down to liquid level. The balloon's flat all the way. We're gonna freeze it.
And here's parts of our Coke bottle.
Do the banana hammer.
We're doing a banana hammer.
Woohoo!
Alright guys, we have got a banana hammer.
Hammer broke.
It's probably because it's a rotten banana.
Too cold. Yeah.
Too cold.
Yeah, too cold of a banana. Technically, you can.
It
hammer
worked,
a banana. If you could keep your nanner together.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you really enjoyed watching us play with nitrogen. If you want to see more videos like this, probably not gonna happen because I don't have a friend with nitrogen who lives close by. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit that bell if you want to see notifications every time I get a new video. Otherwise, thanks again for coming to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.